Greetings everyone. Today I'm thrilled to share a groundbreaking method with you, one that unlocks the potential for building a passive income stream through the prowess of ChatGPT. In this comprehensive guide, not only will I walk you through the entire process, but I'll also embark on this journey alongside you, documenting every single step in upcoming videos. This will provide you with the opportunity to witness the results firsthand as they unfold. So without further ado, let's dive right into understanding the intricate business concept that will be the focal point of our discussion. Our strategy revolves around leveraging the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT to create digital products that resonate with the market's demands. These products will then be meticulously crafted and showcased on the esteemed platform Etsy, with the ultimate goal of generating consistent and passive income streams. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll be well versed in potent techniques to identify winning product ideas and employ ChatGPT to expedite the process. Furthermore, we'll delve into the creative aspect, offering insights into crafting professionally designed digital products using the user-friendly Canva platform. But that's not all. The journey doesn't stop here. I'll guide you step by step on how to establish your own Etsy store and secure a remarkable 40 free listings, enabling you to commence your venture without any financial barriers. And the pinnacle of this journey lies in the comprehensive tutorial on how to publish your products on Etsy with precision and effectiveness. The treasure trove of value that this video holds necessitates your complete attention throughout, so be sure not to skip any segment. When it comes to venturing into the realm of selling digital products on Etsy, the foundation for success lies in offering products that genuinely address the needs and desires of potential customers. It's crucial to identify products with a strong demand and to create offerings that stand out as unique within the competitive landscape. This is where my tried-and-true research methods come into play. While various tools and strategies exist for product research, I've refined a simple yet remarkably effective approach that's both free and powerful. This involves utilizing the search located prominently on the Etsy platform. However, before you dive into research, having a crystal clear vision of what you intend to create is paramount. I often turn to ChatGPT for ideas, and its insights provide a treasure trove of broad concepts to choose from. Through careful consideration, I've recognized that products falling under the health, wealth, and relationships categories tend to be evergreen winners. Armed with this knowledge, I hone in on a promising idea, setting the stage for our journey. To illustrate, let's examine the path I've chosen for this demonstration. The aim is to create a printable planner tailored for individuals seeking self-improvement. By narrowing down to this niche, we ensure that our product has a well-defined target audience, which in turn enhances its potential to resonate with buyers. Now, the most important part of this effort is to make sure our product idea is a good one and to see what's already out there on Etsy. To do this, we'll type in keywords that relate to our product, like self-improvement planner. This will show us a bunch of different products that are already being sold. Your job here is to look through these listings and see what stands out to you. Each listing has really helpful information about what's popular and successful. However, our analysis doesn't stop here. To truly gauge the potential of a product, we must delve deeper. Two critical factors stand out: the number of reviews a product has garnered and the consistency with which it receives new reviews. A product with numerous reviews, especially those that have been recently published, is indicative of its strong sales performance. Pay close attention to listings with multiple reviews added on the same day. This points to high demand and popularity. To make a product that really connects with the people we want to reach, it's really important to pay attention to what customers are saying in their reviews. These reviews give us a map that shows us how to make a product that people will like. For example, if lots of reviews talk about how simple the design is, that means we should make sure our design is easy to use. And if people are saying there are too many choices, we might want to make things simpler and offer fewer options. With the comprehensive analysis complete, we've arrived at a well-rounded understanding of what works and what doesn't. Armed with this knowledge, we're ready to craft a unique, high-quality product. In this case, I've chosen to create a one-page habit tracker bundled with 2 additional pages. This strategic approach ensures our product caters to the target audience's self-improvement journey. Now let's get creative. This is where we use ChatGPT and Canva's design tools to bring our ideas to life. But here's the twist. we're going to do things a bit differently. I've taken a bold step by having a conversation with ChatGPT to come up with a complete layout for our design. This layout gives us a strong starting point, but don't worry, we're not copying it exactly. We're using it as a jumping-off point to make our design process smoother and make sure everything looks consistent and cohesive. Now that we have our layout ready, we smoothly switch over to Canva. Canva is a really flexible tool that has lots of different design templates you can pick from. This makes it super easy to create really nice and polished product designs. With Canva at my fingertips, I started on a design adventure. I made a habit tracking template, that's the main focus, and I also created a daily planner and a gratitude journal template to go along with it. All of them have a similar look, so they go well together. This helps fix the issue that some other products had, where their designs looked different from each other. Now that our designs are looking really nice and neat, let's switch gears and focus on getting our images ready for the product listing. You know how they say a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, that's really true, especially when it comes to digital products. The images you use can have a big impact on whether people decide to buy your product or not. So we've got a clever solution to make this step fast and easy. We've created a bunch of ready-to-use templates that you can just plug your designs into. This way, your products will look super attractive and appealing when people see them online. We're almost at the most exciting part of this adventure, getting your products on Etsy. It all starts by creating your own Etsy store. Don't worry, making the store is completely free, and you need to do this before you can list your products. Oh, and here's a cool bonus. There's a special link in the description that'll give you a whopping 40 free listings. This gives you a strong head start to show off your products to the world. Once you're in your store's dashboard, you'll see a bunch of options you can play around with. One really important thing to do is create your shop profile. This is your chance to make your brand feel trustworthy and unique. You can do this by adding a nice banner, a personal photo of yourself, and giving lots of information about your shop. These details help create a good vibe and give your customers a sense of what to expect when they visit your store. Now that your online shop is all set up, let's shift our focus to creating your product listings. You've got those pictures you made using Canva, so now it's time to tell people about your product. First, you need to come up with a catchy title for your product. This title should have words that make it easy for people to find your product when they're searching for something. After that, you need to pick a category for your product. This helps people who are looking for a specific type of thing find your product more easily. It's like putting your product in the right section of a store so people can find it without any trouble. You can also get some ideas by checking out what other sellers who have similar products are doing. Oh, and here's something important. You need to make it really clear that your product is digital. This is a big deal on Etsy, especially for digital products like yours. People need to know that they'll be getting something they can download or use online, so make sure you mention this in your listing. The product description holds immense potential to communicate the value your product offers. This is where ChatGPT can come to the rescue, lending its assistance in crafting compelling descriptions that resonate with customers. Tags, price, and quantity follow suit, guiding potential buyers toward making a purchase. Launching your first product is an exhilarating moment, a culmination of careful planning, design, and meticulous execution. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the abundance of valuable information that has been shared in this video. The depth of insights provided is considerable, and it might be beneficial to consider watching this video again to fully absorb and grasp the concepts. I encourage you to revisit the steps outlined and approach them diligently. If you have any questions or uncertainties, please know that I am here to support and provide clarification. With that, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos on making money online. Thank you once again for being part of our community, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.